You're right guys, this is Project Progress. These are my new kind of video that I want to start doing on my channel, and there should be intermediate videos between projects. I find a lot of projects always end up not going to plan, and by the time I've posted the finished project and everybody comments on it giving me all different ideas, the project's done and I can't really do anything about it. The current project I'm working on is a horse's hoof, which is the collaboration that I'm doing with Sam Fowler. If you saw his video, he made this fantastic aluminium horseshoe, beautiful sheen he's got on it, and I'm going to be making the horse's foot, the horse's hoof, to put the horseshoe on. Well, going through this project I decided to use Wengi. It's my very first time for using Wengi, and I kind of underestimated how hard this wood was. I cut this taper on my bandsaw, nice and simple, going round, but it cuts incredibly slow, and I didn't realise just how long the cuts would take. And it also took a very long time to sand it as well. When I cut the bottom off, it wasn't level at all. I managed to sand it down to become this flat. I've actually got the off-cut piece from when I did cut it, and as you can see, it's like all mismatched. I ended up cutting it with the handsaw because it was too big to go through the bandsaw on the funny angle and everything like that. It just seemed simpler to cut it by hand, but it ended up with a lot of sanding needed to be done. What I need to ask you all about is, now that I've removed that chunk of material off the bottom and I've started sanding the round, it's gone a bit too small for the horseshoe. It's just slightly too small, and it's going to get even smaller once I fully round the hoof. So the question is, what should I do? Should I try and salvage some of this material to build the base back out, or should I maybe use some maple to go with a lighter accent on the bottom? I've got a piece of maple that would work great for it, and I did look at some reference images for horses' hooves, and there is quite a lot that go from like pure white at the bottom up to a darker gradient, so I think it could look nice. But I wanted to get your opinion. What would you do if you was in this situation? This is going to be way too small by the time I've sanded it all and shaped it, so I need to try and get it to fit that fantastic horseshoe that Sam made. I'm going to leave a link to Sam's channel down below. Make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen it already. So that's what I'm throwing out there, guys. These are going to be quick videos, so in the videos you'll see some of the clips of the project so far, like how I'm getting on with it, and hopefully you'll be able to give me some input and give me some help when I hit stumbling blocks like this, and also design cues as well. If you've got any ideas, I think I may add part of the leg. It all depends how well this turns out. I was planning on doing a leg that would kind of like put it out at an angle, so it would like be on a plaque or something, but I'm not too sure now. It's quite a nice shape on its own, and I don't really want to detract too much from it because it's the horseshoe that's the main centrepiece of it. But even that, what do you lot think? Do you think it needs a leg on, or should I just keep it simple and have it as just the hoof? Please let me know. Leave the comments down below. I'll reply to all of them, and obviously if I get some good responses and get a good idea of what to do, you'll get a shout out definitely in the project video, just to show that I've used your idea. So I want to say a massive thank you to my Patreon supporters before I go. I've stopped doing my While the Glue Dries videos now. There was a lot of work, to be honest with you, and my live streaming didn't always go to plan as I wanted it to. It was one of those, it was just a complete headache. It would just not work, the links wouldn't get shared across properly, so I've decided to put that to one side for now at least, and hopefully these little intermediate videos should keep some new content coming from my channel, and I hope you enjoy it. But I always thank my Patreon supporters on those videos, so I'd like to do it in these ones now. So thank you guys, honestly, I can't begin to thank you all enough for all the support you've shown me and my channel. It helps me buy materials like Wengi, which is surprisingly expensive. This block that I ended up gluing up, this was about £40 because I had to order it online, and of course there's no way that I could be able to justify that cost on my channel without your guys' support, so thank you so much for that. If you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button to get subscribed, and I'll leave a link on the screen now with an end card to a video you might be interested in. So thank you all for watching this one, guys, and let me know what you think.